At Doors by Nalley, we can help with all your residential and commercial garage door needs, including repair, replacement, parts, and installation. When dealing with a component that is used as frequently as your garage door, you need a professional with an eye for quality and drive for excellence in workmanship. We also offer our preventative garage door maintenance program to ensure your residential and commercial garage door continues to serve your family and business for many years to come. Whether you're looking for a new garage door or are in need of assistance maintaining your current garage door, our team has the experience and expertise to deliver the results you deserve. Give Doors by Nalley Inc. a call today or visit us on the web at doorsbynalley.com to learn more.